Today, we're talking about our Big D nitrous nozzle and jets. Hey everyone, this is Dan at SPE Motorsport. On this week's product spotlight, we're going to be going over our Big D nitrous nozzle and jet kits. The main thing in the diesel industry is the utilization of the larger solenoids. And the larger solenoid that's available right now in the market that everyone likes to use is the NX375 Lightning solenoid. This has a 3/8 outlet or output, which is normally going to be utilizing a -6 line to whatever nozzles you're going to want to run. So right now, everyone's running multiple -4 nozzles and adding complications and adding lines. We want to simplify that. So everything else that's on the market available right now to utilize a solenoid is extremely expensive. There's no cost-effective solution. So we wanted to come up with a way to utilize this solenoid to its best potential and also keep it cost effective, keep the cost down, and give the customer as much as we possibly could. The thing with the nozzles is utilizing that -6 line. So if you have a 3/8 outlet on the solenoid, you're going to want a 3/8 line or a -6 line to feed your nozzle. So rather than dividing that line up to a bunch of separate nozzles, we're going to just run one line to one nozzle. So in front of us, we have our -6 line of nozzles and jets. The 90-degree dry nozzle is a standard style. It's just large for the -6 line. We have a straight style -6 nozzle, and then we also have our plume nozzles. Our plume nozzles are something we came up with that offer a wide dispersion and a radial dispersion. So if you put it straight in the pipe, it's going to actually create what we call a plume, because it's dispersing the nitrous oxide in a radial manner, which then mixes it better with the air that you're pushing through the pipe. If you can disperse that chemical the best possible way, as it makes it into the cylinder of the engine and you're burning it, you're going to get the most horsepower out of it. Everybody knows nitrous oxide is expensive. We want to use that the best that we can. So that's our plume. We also offer the -4 nozzles as well. For anybody that would want to get into the smaller jets, we still offer that. The jet sizing for the -6 ranges from 67 thousandths, so 0.067 to 0.315. The nozzles for the -4 range from 0.023 to 0.160. And to touch on nozzles and jet sizing, one of the things in the industry that's kind of a standard over the years is the gas horsepower terms. So when you're looking at nitrous oxide and you're looking at, okay, this is how much power, this is how much nitrous we're using, it's this horsepower, they're speaking in gasoline term. When you're looking at a nozzle or a jet and it says 0.315 or 0.150 and they give you a horsepower rating, it's in a gas horsepower rating. So our 0.315 jet for our -6 nozzles actually supports up to 1,000 horsepower. So it'll do 1,000 horsepower in gas terms. So if you have any questions on any of this stuff from what nozzles do I need for my specific situation as far as your piping or anything like that, or what solenoid to run, give us a call, shoot us a message on any of the social media stuff. Just let us know and we'll catch you on the next one. What do we want to call this, like a specific line? I didn't even think about that till now. Should we gay it up like that, or should we keep it like?
Oh, I think we should definitely
gay it up a little bit.
Oh,
just a little or a lot?
I mean, so it's a little gay because people are gonna think that you're kind of calling, like, naming it after you, but really we're calling it Big Dick. But if they ask about it being Big Dick, I'm like, no, it's just Big Dick.
It's just Big D.
It's a real little.
It's Big Diesel.
Yeah, exactly. Big Diesel. Foam done.